Okay, I'll just show you how to pair your mobile to the Bluetooth system in this Seat Leon. First of all, make sure your phone's the right way up. Then into settings, into Bluetooth, make sure Bluetooth is on. On the dash there, in the instrument panel on the left hand side, click this arrow till you get to phone. Now you've got phone search there. Click phone search, looking for mobile phones, please wait. Barry's iPhone, it's picked it up, so click OK. Password OK 1234. Click OK. It should bring up a screen on here. 1, 2, 3, 4. Pair. I don't want it to allow my contacts and favourites to sync, but you will. I won't be using this car again. No doubt you will if you've bought it. And it's saying on the dash, found new phone, create user profile. Now click OK there if that's okay. So it's brought my phone up, Barry's iPhone EE. Now if there's more than, I think it's 4 user profiles, it won't allow you to do another one, so you need to delete one. But that's it. It's a good system and it's easy to use.